Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good, right? Flashing big, beautiful smiles on your face. Flipkart is offering 90% off on all grocery products and daily essentials. You can check out. I'll be providing the links in the description box. You can click on that and buy. You can even add to cart 1 rupee products as well. If at all you're new to Flipkart, you can first log in with the referral link that is provided in the description box, and later you can click on other links to place your first order to get 100 rupees off with free delivery. I have put up here some of the deals that are at 90% off. You can check out. For instance, you have got here a fruits and veggie chopper for 116 rupees at 91% off on MRP 1299 rupees. So as you can go for any other products that you want.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do subscribe to Flying Skies One and share. Keep smiling. Have a good day.